we are never able to stop being amazed by the world of cryptocurrency. The court battle between Ripple and the SEC is expected to reach a conclusion this month, according to experts, lawyers, and even the CEO of Ripple. These assertions are supported by solid reasons. This is without a doubt the strongest bullish signal that has ever been issued. As a consequence of this, financial experts believe that the price of XRP Ripple could skyrocket to $1,000. A situation like this has never been seen before in the world of cryptocurrencies, and there are claims that every person who has XRP has the ability to increase their wealth by $1 million. You cannot afford to miss out on watching that video. First things first, without further ado, let's get right down to business. I hereby defer. In the ongoing conflict between the Securities and Exchange Commission and the rapidly expanding cryptocurrency market, Ripple's XRP has emerged as a central topic of contention. The cryptocurrency world has been gripped by this conflict, which has brought to light the regulatory uncertainty that digital assets are associated with. A renowned pro-XRP attorney named Jeremy Hogan was cited by Jack the Rippler in a tweet that he sent out not too long ago. When it comes to the SEC, there is no ultimate triumphant victory. This comment has a profound impact on the XRP community, and it reflects a broader mood of resiliency and anticipation as the legal drama continues to unfold. Let's move through it step by step, shall we? It's quite incredible to think about. After the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) closed its investigation into Ethereum on June 20th, there was a resurgence of interest in the Ripple XRP case. New conversations have been started as a result of this action, particularly in light of the fact that the XRP army is eagerly awaiting Judge Torres' opinion on the sanctions and final sentence in the remedies phase. It is still a crucial question whether or not the Securities and Exchange Commission will appeal Judge Torres' summary finding that XRP is not a security in and of itself. An increasing number of attorneys and former SEC officials are coming to the conclusion that the SEC may decide not to pursue an appeal. It is possible that the strategic choice was made out of concern that the SEC's arguments in the Second Circuit Court would be weakened with this ruling. According to Christina Littman, who served as the previous chief of crypto enforcement for the SEC might decide to let the Ripple opinion remain in its current status as a district court judgment rather than risk advancing it to the bench of the Circuit Court. Consequently, the SEC's surprising decision to cease its investigation into Ethereum, which included sending a letter to consensus without any obligation, contributed to an increase in the amount of buzz surrounding the XRP lawsuit. The Securities and Exchange Commission has been viewed as a hint of shifting attention and maybe a softening position on certain cryptocurrencies as a result of this strategy. A person by the name of Metalawman, James Murphy, has been very vocal about the inconsistencies that the SEC has. He made the point that the tokens that were identified in the case filed against Coinbase do not meet the criteria for securities when they are exchanged on the secondary market. A viewpoint that was recently backed by a ruling handed down by the Second Circuit Court. According to Murphy, Judge Torres was correct in his assessment of XRP, and he suggested that the Securities and Exchange Commission might not appeal the summary ruling in order to avoid future conflicts in its regulatory approach. As a further point of interest, Stuart Alderati, the chief legal officer of Ripple, has expressed his disapproval of the SEC's inconsistent regulatory stance. He drew attention to substantial anomalies, in particular with regard to the way the SEC handles Ethereum transactions and services such as MetaMask and staking. Skepticism has been encouraged among the cryptocurrency community as a result of these inconsistencies, which has caused many people to question whether Ether's status as a commodity indicates that other proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies, such as Solana, Cardano, and Polygon, should also be considered commodities. The criticism offered by Alderati brings to light a more widespread problem, namely the absence of well-defined regulatory norms for digital assets. There is a fragmented landscape that exists as a result of the judgments made by the SEC, which frequently appear to be arbitrary. Some assets are considered securities, while others are not. The ambiguity in this situation not only makes it more difficult to innovate, but it also makes investors less confident in the cryptocurrency market. There is a high probability that the conclusion of the ongoing legal struggle between Ripple and the SEC will have significant repercussions for the whole cryptocurrency industry. At issue in this case is not merely a disagreement regarding XRP. When it comes to the pursuit of regulatory certainty in the digital asset area, this event constitutes a particularly significant occasion. Because of this, everything naturally becomes even more exciting, as it would be impossible for it to be any other way. The recent developments that have surrounded the imminent victory of XRP Ripple in its landmark court challenge have sparked a wave of enthusiasm among crypto enthusiasts as well as specialists in the field. The analysts are anticipating a spike that you will not see coming, and they are forecasting that XRP will experience growth that has never been seen before. Prepare yourselves, because what is about to take place will definitely take you by surprise. Therefore, the sentiment surrounding XRP has been surprisingly upbeat at this point. Support was provided by a string of tweets from prominent figures in the cryptocurrency field. During the time that XRP Captain was teasing followers with XRP breakout loading, Jack the Rippler made the announcement that XRP will pump parabolic without any prior warning. There is a strong conviction that XRP is on the verge of seeing a huge upward surge, and these bold proclamations represent that optimism, even though the cryptocurrency market as a whole has been experiencing instability. Ripple's XRP has demonstrated amazing durability by maintaining a price range of between 50 and 48 cents over the course of the past 10 weeks. The price stability that has been observed has been followed by an increase in open interest, which has reignited the enthusiasm of investors. The considerable increase in open interest, which is a clear indicator of increased trading activity and investor confidence in future price increases, has led analysts at CryptoQuant to identify XRP as a key player in the cryptocurrency landscape. This is owing to the fact that XRP has been identified as a key player. Observations were made by WooMingQ, an analyst at CryptoQuant, on this pattern. There is a greater amount of trading activity taking place with XRP, which is shown by this increased interest. A number of investors are opening positions with the hope that prices will continue to rise. The observations made by Santiment, a market insights firm which detected considerable short covering operations among XRP traders, are in agreement with this rise in open interest. This short covering is considered to be a potential catalyst for higher price movements, and it performs the function of rocket fuel for continuous stock prices to rise. But this is when things start to get interesting. An optimistic outlook about the future of XRP has also been offered by technical analysts. The prediction of huge gains for XRP in future bull runs was made by a well-known figure in the cryptocurrency world. This individual even suggested that investors would be able to accumulate wealth that will last generations. She issued a tweet not so long ago in which she confidently projected that the next bull run might bring XRP to a price of $600. Additionally, analyst Javon Marks brought attention to a historical bullish divergence pattern that was present in the chart of XRP. This pattern is reminiscent of patterns that have previously resulted in exponential rises, and very comparable hidden bullish divergence that had previously resulted to an approximately 62 to 100% increase is still being displayed by XRP, which continues to retain and demonstrate it. Considering that prices are getting closer to important converging breakout marks, it appears that a bullish breakout to the upward is the most likely outcome. There is a possibility that XRP will reach $10, $20 and even higher levels sooner and at a faster rate than many people believe it will. There is a distinct sense of excitement due to the big projections that are fueling the enthusiasm of the community. Precisely encapsulates the sentiment being spoken. You are already a future millionaire if you have 1,000 XRP in your possession. The only thing you need to do is wait until the price of each coin reaches $1,000. The great confidence and faith that the XRP community has in the potential of the token is highlighted by this projection, which may appear to be unduly ambitious when seen in light of the current situation. Ripple's legal fights are getting closer and closer to a settlement, and the future of XRP appears to be showing signs of improvement. Strong technical indicators, bullish market mood, and the growing belief in XRP's potential for big gains are all factors that are putting the cryptocurrency in a position to experience a period that has the potential to be historic. Furthermore, let us now discuss a subject that is of similar